Hello and welcome to Barnyarns TV. Today we're going to be talking about the Madeira Treasure Chest available in both the Teak and the White. So in both of the sets you get 194 spools included. 180 of them are going to be for the rayon threads themselves. And what you're going to find is this is mostly used for embroidery. So you may have worked with Madeira or heard of them before. They're probably one of the largest embroidery thread brands globally. The thread specifically we're talking about today is a rayon, which is made from a rayon pulp, which is very natural, soft embroidery threads that can be run at very high speeds. And as you can see from this box specifically, the saturated colours are absolutely beautiful. You get 180 of the actual rayon spools with this. You also get 4 spools of the bobbin thread. You get 10 spools of the metallics and then a range of the variegated threads as well. You may have noticed as well you get 82 embroidery designs which you can load straight onto your computer and then obviously use to digitize onto your embroidery machine via USB. And it also comes with a fantastic rayon shade card so you can reference all of your colour numbers. All of the threads are held in a perforated plastic container. So under all of these threads you actually have a colour number and a swatch of the colour of your thread, just so that if you're using a thread and you weren't sure where it came from, if you're very particular about the colour order in which the threads go in, you've got that reference guide, and also when you run out of that thread, it's then very easy to reorder. So that's a really nice touch that I do like. One thing I would say as well is when it comes to storage, there is a common misconception that people think threads can just be stored anywhere. They can be stored in direct sunlight, they can be stored in 3 degrees or 30-degree weather. It's not the case, and threads do go off. The thing I love about this box is not only is it a beautiful storage box to look at, it avoids active light kind of penetrating into the fibres of the thread, and it also just provides a great storage solution for all of your threads, whether it be the Madeira rayons, the aerophils or the katonas, and we'll talk about those later on. So as thread sets go, it's a fantastic set. I would recommend it for all embroiderers. It gives you such a wide range of colours. Like I said, there's 180 in the full range, and the saturated colours that you actually get with them can give you every single colour that you're going to need for every single project.